Fuck you.
Albuquerque, New Mexico.
I don't want a cigarette, bro. You gotta do this shit to me? Go ahead. Oh, I got something.
He's definitely tweaking.
Dude, light your speaker. What is that? These motherfuckers don't get what? 7 what? Huh? Yeah. This is coming from what? Anybody know the
Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Look at this guy. San Francisco, California. Looks like they're trying to get inside of somebody's house. Meanwhile, in Wichita. Detroit, Michigan. Better keep those doors locked.
I can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do.
What'd you say?
I do not need to leave until my daughter comes down here.
You need to get the fuck out of here right now.
No, I do not.
Okay.
Houston, Texas. Yeah, there's still some good people out there.
Hey, is this yours? Man?
Yeah, it was outside.
It was outside by my bike, man. So,
Thank you, brother,
hey,
man.
I know how it is, man.
Man.
You know, but,
If it wasn't you, I always see you out there on your bike and stuff, man. Man.
I just
Oakland, California. We got a doorknob wiggler here.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I got the wrong place. I'm so sorry, honey.
Get lost!
I got the wrong spot.
Wichita, Kansas. Beck Park, Pennsylvania. Another doorknob wiggler. San Jose, California. Sarasota, Florida. Is that a woman? San Diego, California. Looks like these guys are leaving after getting inside of somebody's house.
Yeah, let's the door ring.
Anchorage, Alaska. That cough sounds pretty bad. Sounds like he has pneumonia or something. Minneapolis, Minnesota. What's this lady want? Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This person seems to be at the wrong house.
Yeah, can I help you with something?
Is Liliana here?
You got the wrong fucking house, alright?
I know the wrong one. It's weird.
Yeah, you need to get the out of here.
Liliana should be here. I know she is.
No, you got the wrong house. You need to get the out of here right now.
I don't need to get out of here. I want my daughter.
Yeah, there is no daughter here for you.
I believe she is here.
There's nobody here. You need to leave right now.
I do not need to leave until she
You
comes in
do.
here.
Hollywood,
The package
Florida.
was delivered to my house by mistake. My kids opened it. Just return your
Yeah,
package.
everybody out here isn't tweaking. Sarasota, Florida. So this lady just walks inside of somebody's house. Better keep those doors locked. Wichita, Kansas. Check her out. Yeah, the tweaks come out at night.
Answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Rochester, New York. Anchorage, Alaska. Check them out.
It's locked. Etta.
Who's there?
Etta.
The door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Etta.
Tell me who you are.
Etta.
You got the wrong house.
Where's Bruce?
There's no Bruce here. Never been a Bruce.
Get out.
Memphis, Tennessee. San Leandro, California. Look like we got a gang of bibbers here. The homeowner said this is the third time they've tried to come and get his car. Looks like one of them has a drum magazine. Yeah, you're not supposed to have those in California, buddy. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching.